So today we are going to solve an algorithm on sum of subsets. Sum of subsets, suppose we have given n distinct positive numbers like I have taken 5, 10, 12, 13, 15, 18. These are also called weights. Our aim is to find all combination of these numbers whose sums are m. That is, I have taken a sum 30 to solve this question, where n is the total number of weights in the subset. That is, in my this subset there are 6 weights: 5, 10, 12, 13, 15 and 8. Now we have to make all the possible combination of 30 from these weights. That is, we have to make all the possible combination of 30 which give me the sum of 30 from these weights. I have made a three possible combination. If I have taken the weight, I will make 1 over it in position, otherwise 0. Like in our first case, I have taken my weight 12 and 18. So I write 1 and 1 on their position, and at remaining position I have write 0. Similarly, I have made two cases more in which I have taken 5, 10 and 15 and all remaining are 0. Similarly, in third case I have taken 5, 12 and 13, all remaining are 0. Now our aim is to make a tree for any of one of these cases. I will making a tree for second case. For making a tree, we should first make a block which will be consisting three things: S, K, R. S is the initial sum of the tree, which will be 0. K is the index of the weight, which will be taken first index of the weight, that is 1. And R is the total sum of the weight, that is 73. 73 is the sum of these weights. That is, if you add 5, 10, 12, 13, 15 and 18, you will get a sum of 73. Now I have divided this tree into two subtrees, that is in 1 and 0. You can change the position also, that is you can write 0 over here and 1 over here, but always remember, in the remaining subtree you will write the same position of 1 and 0 as you have taken it earlier. Now if we have taken the first weight in my subtree, you will be taking in 1. If you have not taken the first weight in your subtree, then you will write in 0. That is, if I have taken 5 in my subtree, my sum will become 5 because my initial sum was 0. Adding first weight in my initial sum, 0 plus 5 will give me 5. I will move to my next index, that is 2, and my weight will become 68 because my tree has filled with my initial weight 5. So I have subtracted 5 from 73. If I have not taken my first weight 5 in the tree, my sum will be 0, but I have to move to next position and my weight will be 68 because the first weight is not use for me. I have to take remaining sum of the weight, that is 68. Now further divide the subtree into two parts, that is x21 and x20, and here also if we add second weight in my block, that is 10, the sum will become 15. I have to move to next position and my weight will become 58. If I have not added my second weight, that is 10, in my subtree, my weight will be 5 only. I have to move to next position and my sum will be 58 because my tree has a sum 58 remaining. Now for this, if I have added my second weight 10 in the subtree, my weight will be 10. I will move to next position, my sum will be 58. And similarly over here, if I have not taken, the sum will be 2, index will be 3 and the weight will be 58. Similarly, we will make the tree side by side, but we have to make it for 1 or 2. As I have to make the weight for second, as I am making a tree for second case, that is I will be making 1 1 0 0 1 0. I have made it for 1 and 1. Now I will be making it for 0 of 0. That is, I will show you. I have again divided them into two parts. Similarly, I will do my step for followingly. If I am adding my third weight, that is 12. My sum will be 27. 15 plus 12. I will move to next position. I will subtract 12 from my remaining weight. My R will be 46. If I have not taken up my weight, 15 will be there. I will move to next position and my remaining R will be 46. Similarly for this, if I have taken 10 in my weight, my sum will be, 12 in my weight. My sum will be 17. I have to move to next position. My sum will be 46. If I have not taken, my sum will be 5 only. I have to move to next position and my sum will be 46. Now further I will divide it into two parts. We will similarly make the block for our remaining tree, but our aim is to find a possible combination for 1 1 0 0 1 0 and make it for 3 4 1 1 0 of 0. Now if I have not taken this weight, my weight will be 15, index will be 5, and my R will be 33. Similarly, we will be solving it for further for our desired position that I have solved for 1 1 0 0. Now further I will be solving for 1 and 0. My sum will be 30, index will be 6, and my R will become 18. Similarly, for solving my last index is 0, so I will solve it further. In this case, we are going to solve sum of substance problem. Starting from given weights, we will first find all the possible combination. Then we will make a tree of any following a possible combination. That is, I have make for case 2 in this example.